welcome everybody to NCW Thursday Night Lightning! World's heavyweight champion, Kiera. And her opponent of the evening, Kyrell. And this is a one-on-one. This will determine a future match for Kyrell. If he beats her, he will be #1 contender and have to reface her next week in a title match. Go ahead. And my father, Gary Mobley, is here to referee.
Here you go.
Put your belt off to the side here.
Yeah.
So, let the match begin. Come on.
I want to lock up.
She's trying to flip me
One.
Her shoulders are up.
This is a battle of the fish.
Her shoulders are up at 2 folds.
1, 2. Oh, that was close. That was very close.
Oh, and a kick to the hip.
1, 2.
She's got some type of submission, but his foot is under the rope poles.
All right.
His foot is under the rope poles.
1, break. 1, 2, 3.
Down to the ropes.
1, 2.
Kick out at 2.
I'll throw.
This is
One.
just failing over and over again. This is sad.
3.
Please.
Oh, looks like she's trying to take out that hip lead up to her splash.
This way. Break the hook. 1, 2.
Is she going to use them knees?
Off the rope. 1.
She's getting violent. She's going for it. I think she's thinking about it. Oh, man, she missed.
1, 2. 1.
You know, at this point, Kyrell does not want to anger here.
2. 1.
She can take him to the city at any time.
I'm not giving up,
Two.
Kyrell.
3.
I will never give up because
Four.
I'm Karen Niles.
Looks like she's getting that shoulder ready for Armplex City, folks. Oh, she's working on it.
On the rope. 1, 2.
Kyrell.
Looks like she's ready for Armplex City anytime.
Wow.
To Armplex City. Clothesline.
So, she's on the rope. 1.
Oh. So she's ready. Oh,
Now she's hit.
get that Armplex City ready. Look at that. She's gonna get just laying
Get up.
in
5,
kicks.
6,
She
7,
can get up before the count of 2.
8,
I mean 10.
9.
Oh,
What's
Oh,
I
she's
almost
up.
counted you out.
Oh, knockout to the stomach. Arm.
1, 2,
Oh. Whoa, she kicks out at 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boy, she was barely makes it up to the count.
Oh, knock to the shoulder blow. She's hammered. Oh, what she got planned.
Do you give up? Do you give up? Break the hold. 1, 2.
You don't.
Oh! He slammed her head to the mat, Bolt. He is but he has to get her ropes.
Oh!
He has got to get
One.
her away from the
One.
win.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
He's trying to go for his banded drop kick and she's not falling for it. Oh, she's gonna start laying in the knees, I bet. Oh, back to
1, 2, 3.
oh, and Kyrell
Kyrell
with the
pulls it
win.
up.
He just earned himself a #1
Are you all right?
contendership
Yeah.
for next week's NC7
Yeah.
Thursday Night
Yeah.
Lightning.
Take it like a woman.
You and me. Now.
Good match. Good match. Shake his hand. Shake her hand.
Good job.
Like, share, and subscribe, folks. That was a great match. And it's showtime. It'll be Diamondback versus the Wadenator. Stay tuned.